Today we're gonna make a speaker out of a Pringles can. It's actually quite simple to do and anyone can do it. So let's get started. We'll need some tools. We'll need a scalpel or a knife, some electrical tape, some copper wire, a 9-volt battery, a piece of paper, a pencil, and of course our can of Pringles. Now Pringles is a trademark of Procter & Gamble. This is just a knockoff brand that I got from the Dollar Tree, but it should work just as well. Now the first thing that we're going to do is open up our can of Pringles and get that empty tube. And then we're going to roll it up into a cylinder and use our scalpel to cut down one side. Cut down both sides. Actually, you don't even need to cut down both sides. One side will still work. You'll see why in a minute. Next, we're going to take our tube and we're going to place it inside of the can like so. And we want it centered. We're going to use some electrical tape to secure it in place. Just a little bit of electrical tape. Make sure it's centered because otherwise the speaker won't work properly. Next, we're going to take our copper wire and we're going to strip about 1/2 inch of the insulation off the end of it, twist it together so that it makes a nice little coil like this. We'll need to do 2 of these coils. Make sure they're exactly the same length because otherwise, the speaker won't work properly. Now we're going to take our 9-volt battery and we're going to place it on top of the can. We're going to place one of our coils on top of the battery and then we're going to take some electrical tape and hold it in place. Again, make sure everything is lined up nice and centered. Otherwise, the speaker won't work properly. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other end. Secure that positive end in place with some more copper wire and electrical tape. Now we're going to take our pencil and we're going to place it on top of the can like so. And then, we're going to take some more electrical tape and we're going to hold it in place again. Make sure everything is nice and centered. Next, we're going to take our paper and we're going to roll it up into a cone shape like this. Place it on top of our pencil like this and there we have it, our very own Pringles speaker. Let's test it out. Now if you roll the speaker back and forth like this, you'll hear the sound get louder and softer. That's because the motion of the speaker is actually vibrating the air inside of the Pringles can. And that creates sound. The faster you move it, the faster the air gets vibrated and the louder the sound. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other videos. I have a ton of fun science experiments for you to try at home.